Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, March 17th, St. Patrick's Day, 2017, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, we ended the week in a kind of a sour note. I'm really frustrated. Yet yesterday we had a halfway decent day. I mean, we made $8,000 in closed out trades, but again, it was frustrated because that was profits were basically cut in half from what we had on the open. So even though we made $8,000, it was one of those days that didn't make me feel real good. What I needed today was another decent day, and we didn't get it. You can see here that the Dow continues to slosh around, um, roller coaster pattern, and basically going sideways. Uh, it ended up negative 20 for the day. Um, you know, if it sold off 100, 200 points, that would be great because then we get a bounce out of it and we make some money. But going negative 20, it just means it's not doing anything. Of course, we're hanging right below that 21,000 mark, and that is not good. We got into 5 positions. One was positive, 4 were negative, uh, and we have negative $1,600. No big loss there. In fact, of those 5 positions, nothing is over $1,000 either way. Um, but still, it's a negative. And then we closed out on one position, um, $1,900 in BITA. So that's discouraging too. So look, we're in trouble. We haven't been making money, and we get a day like yesterday. We make some money, but then we turn around and we lose a little today. And normally, a day like today wouldn't faze me. I mean, $1,800 loss on closed out, 1,600 open trade. That's nothing. That's nothing. If we're counterbalancing that with some really good days, but we're not getting those really good days, and it's driving me nuts. And quite honestly, okay, I have nothing good to show you. I will show you a couple stocks to show you. This is BITA, and that was our single position coming into the day. We bought this, had this nice big run up at the beginning of the day yesterday, and then it gets up here, and then it goes nowhere. But it really didn't close too badly against us, and bam, down she goes today, and that's where we end up with a $1,800 loss. That's not very nice. And then this was the one stock that had some potential today, and then that failed too. This is TTPH, Tetraphase Pharmaceuticals. We got into this the second hour. It gets up here, and we're up over $2,000 in Tetraphase up here, and then it fails. So we see positive $2,000 go to positive 200. And that was the only positive stock out of 5 stocks that we had today. Anyway, I am discouraged, I admit, but I'm not going to let it wreck my weekend. You guys have a great one. I'll be back here on Monday.